Hi guys, Noel with Homeqwik. I just want to briefly chat with you about maintenance for your real estate investment. Obviously in property management, maintenance is a huge issue. Want to make sure that the work is done in a timely manner, done well, and of course done at an affordable price. Here in Arizona, as a property manager for you, we do have laws that we have to abide by. So if there's a repair that needs done on your property and it's over $1,000, I'm required by the state law to use a licensed, bonded, and insured contractor. This is good for you because it makes sure that you get the best work done available, and we know that it's going to be done right, and that the vendor's insured in case they get hurt. Generally, somebody that's licensed may cost a little bit more, but again, it's going to be more important on those more expensive jobs to make sure that it's done properly. For stuff that's done under $1,000, we can use handyman, and we've got those on our staff as well. We've got guys who've been using for several years. They get great reviews from our tenants. They do work fast, and we don't pay them until we see that the work is done and we've got completion pictures. So be careful about trying to save a buck by grabbing somebody off of Craigslist or somebody that somebody knows that can do some work. If the drywall guy's working on your carpet, it's probably a bad idea. Here at Homeqwik, we're going to make sure we use the right guys for the right jobs and get you the best deal we can.